Welcome to Stylarc's Carter Dress Neckband Sewing Tutorial. This pattern has a skill level of medium. Before you get started, let's have a quick look at the helpful hints. Make sure when choosing a combination of fabrics that the knit fabric for the bodice is strong enough to hold the skirt and the skirt fabric doesn't weigh down the bodice. Cut out the pattern taking note of the grains and instructions written on the pattern pieces, as this will assist in the construction of your dress. Maximum stretch is to go around the body. Choose your bodice, neckline, sleeve and pocket options and take note of the lengthening shortening lines before cutting. The seam allowances are 1 cm for all main seams and 6 mm for the internal seams. Seam allowances are marked on each pattern piece with a dashed line. Lay the pattern on the fabric and check that the grains are correct. This will ensure that the garment hangs straight when on the body. Pin, mark and cut, and be careful not to clip notches deeper than the seam allowance. As all knits have a different stretch component, and as the neckbands are slightly stretched onto the neck to allow the neck to sit flat, we suggest that you cut and pin a neckband to the neckline before stitching on. When finishing your openings and hem, you may choose to use a twin needle. Always use a ballpoint stretch needle when sewing knit fabrics. You may choose to use Mariflex thread to sew the straight stitches. RST means right sides together, WST means wrong sides together. Now let's get sewing. With right sides together, sew the front and back at the shoulder seams. Neaten using an overlocker serger and press towards the back. With right sides together, align the short ends of the neckband at the centre back and sew. With wrong sides together, fold the neckband in half lengthways and press. Baste the raw edges together. Pin the neckband into quarters to help when attaching to the neckline. With right sides together and notches aligned, pin the neckband to the neck opening. Sew using a 6mm seam. Neaten using an overlocker. Press towards the body. Sew an edge stitch to the neckline on the side of the body. Congratulations! Now that you know how to attach the neckband, you're one step closer to completing your Me-Made masterpiece. Have you found this tutorial helpful? Let us know in the comments and tag a sewing friend who's making the Carter dress. We can't wait to see your finished garment. Don't forget to tag @Stylark and use the hashtag #SACarterdress. Happy sewing from the Stylark team.